Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the dress with open neck collar and feet and flare gores. I've already showed you how to make these details. Today I will show you how to set the gores in, how to tack the dress, and after that I will try it on. The gores will be set in the side seams, center front, center back, and in between these details. I need to make cuts for these gores. Each cut should be 30 cm long. Measure the bottom width and divide it in half. Drop a perpendicular up from this point. It should be 30 cm long. This is the line for cutting. I'll mark 30 cm on the side seams too. Next, I need to do the same thing on the other detail. I also need to drop a perpendicular up from this point. You can see that everything is very simple. I'm cutting the two layers at once. This is a regular opening for a set-in feet and flare gore. I think that first I'll insert these gores, and only after that I will start taking the dress. Let's start taking the gores. The openings are even, and the gores are even as well. I need to make the cut 1 cm longer in order to tack the gore. The top of the gore should match the cut top. You should also match the other details before you start taking. When I finish taking, I'll show you how the gores look like from the right side. This is how each gore should be set in the opening. Let's have a look at the right side. I made an opening and then inserted the gore in it. This is how it will look like. I need to take 3 more gores this way. This one and these two. The 4 gores are ready. I tack the 3 of them off the camera. Next I need to tack the center front and insert a gore in it. To do that, first I need to tack the gore to one of the edges. Start taking up from the bottom. I'll show you how to tack this gore, and the other 3 will be tacked off the camera. I tack the gore to the edge. I remind you that this is the center front. Next I need to match the center fronts to tack them. I need to pin the details in knot and knot to make mistake. Match the edges before you start taking. Start taking up from the bottom. When I reach the point where the gore ends, I will be taking a regular seam on the center front. Tack all the 4 gores this way. Notice that up from this point, I continue taking the center front the way I usually do. This gore is ready. I'll take the other ones off the camera. I can tack the seams this way. You can pin them if you need to. This is how the front looks like. Notice that the center front turns into a gore. These are the set-in gores. The side seam should be tacked just like the center front. When I finish tacking the gores, I'll show you how to tack the collar. I'm taking the last gore to the side seam. Side seam should be tacked just like the center front. The gore is tacked to one of the edges of the side seam. To start taking the side seam, I need to mesh the waistlines. The dress is almost ready. The only thing left to be done is to tack the collar. I prefer to tack collars in such way that the seam is on the wrong side. I don't tack collars this way. First I need to match and tack the center back. I need to match the notches to do it. I'll stop here. Next, I need to pin the collar to continue taking it. When I tack collars for myself, I usually don't even try them on before stitching. When the collar is doubled with interfacing, it will fit and look much better. When I make collars this way, I'm absolutely sure that they're accurate. I don't usually even look in the mirror before showing you the tacked items. When I put an item on, I can feel if it's good or not. You can make not only an open neck collar, but any collar you want. A shawl one, for example. Of course, this collar is not perfect. It's not ready. I just want you to see its shape. This is how it looks like. Have a look at the tacked dress. I will try it on. Have a look at me. I'm wearing a tacked dress with dolman sleeves, set in feet and flare gores, and an open neck collar. Guys, please, let's sew clothes with collars. They look amazing. Don't you think so? We should be different and beautiful. Notice how the dress fits me. The seam on the center front looks really good. There is also a seam on the center back. There are 8 set-in gores in this dress. I showed you how to make such square circle feet and flare gores. You know that everything suits my amazing square body. I made this dress just for the tutorial. The fabric is very cheap and it's of a very poor quality. The gores will look much better when they're made of suitable fabric. That's all for today. Let's be different and beautiful together. My name is Paukštė Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.